So in this video we're going to be looking at driving into a parking space for your driving test, and I'm going to try and keep this nice and simple so it's easy to follow. So when you're out on your driving test, the examiner may go into an external car park and ask you to park into a space, either reversing or drive-in. But external car parks are normally drive into a parking space. So always try and drive into a space where there's no vehicles around you, so it gives you more time to fix things if you need to. And what you should be looking for is, if you just imagine this as you're doing a right-hand turn, and you shouldn't have to reverse back out to actually make this manoeuvre work properly. So treat it like a right-hand turn. So without further ado, we can have a look at this drive-in bay park. Okay, so car's all set up, ready to go, and I'm happy with everything the way it is. Sorry about the camera on the window, but I need to be able to show you where things are. Going to look around the vehicle as usual. Car's set up, ready to go. Good look around, make sure everything is all safe, and we're going to move away. So we're treating this the same as a right-hand turn. So what we're looking for, keep to the left-hand side of the road, and what we're looking for is this door mirror on our right-hand side to go into the space which we want to park into. So I'm going to go for 2 after this manhole cover. So my door mirror is just going into the space now. Quick check of my right shoulder and full lock to the right. As we go in, I'm trying to put this door mirror now on top of the white line on the side of the car. If I feel like the door mirror is going into the space opposite, I'm going to steer away. So I'm going in straight, and then I'll adjust it back. As I go forward, I'm going to straighten the wheels up and then place the door mirror. It's a bit deceiving on this camera, but I'm going to place the door mirror on top of the line in front of the car. After we've done that, handbrake on, into neutral, and relax. If you need to check, then you can check, but you shouldn't have to check. Just treat it the same as a right turn. Each white line is just a curb in the road, so we're just looking for that. When you're reversing back out, which is now the main part of the manoeuvre, if you've got vehicles on the sides of you, so if there's a vehicle on the left, when you start to reverse to the left, so you're going around the parked vehicle. If there's a vehicle on your right, reverse to the right, so you're going to run that vehicle. If there's something on either side of you and you need to reverse in a specific direction, so let's say that we need to reverse to the right, as we start to come out, we're just going to give it a half turn on the steering wheel just to get a slight angle, and once we've got a slight angle, we straighten the wheels back up. As you come out, when you are physically sat on the road, so outside the spaces, then we're going to continue to turn the wheel to the right, so we know we're going to miss the vehicles in front of us. So I'm going to imagine now that there's something parked on my left-hand side, but I need to reverse to the right. So into gear. This time I'm going to put the foot brake on and turn the handbrake off, so I've got a little bit more control. Good look around the vehicle. I'm going to come off the foot brake first. If it doesn't roll, I'm going to lift the clutch to the bite. I've got a slight angle on the car. Now I'm going to straighten the wheels. Keep checking round. When I'm physically sat outside the spaces, I'm going to do a full lock to the right. Keep checking round. And as the car starts to straighten up, we're going to start to turn the wheel back so our wheels are straight. Once it's straight, back into first gear, good look around, make sure there's nothing coming around you, and then we move away. So I hope this video has helped you understand what you may be asked to do on your driving test. If you do like the video, please hit the subscribe button, and in the top of the video what I'll do is I'll put a link for reversing into a parking space. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.